Hi, today grammar. My topic is phrases. Three type of phrases: noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase. Noun phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. Examples: we enjoy playing cricket. The boy went to home to win a prize in my ambition. He hopes to win the first prize. Adjective phrases. Sometimes a group of words does the work as of an adjective. Look at the following phrase of sentence. The magician was a wealthy man. The magician was a man of great wealth. The teacher was a kind man. The teacher was a man with a kindly nature. Adverb phrase. Just as the work of an adjective is often done by a group of words called an adjective phrase, so the work of an adverb is often done by a group of words. Rama ran quickly. How? Rama ran with great speed. He is coming now. When? He is coming at this very moment. Assignment submitted by M. Petchiammal, 2nd year BA Tamil, APC Mahalakshmi College.